Hey guys, Patrick Johnston here in beautiful Sosua. I'm the co-founder of Go Dominican Life nationwide here in the Dominican Republic. Here with our top master broker here in Sosua with
Margarita Vandamme.
Look, a couple things that are really cool that has happened in the last 18 months. Number one, the market's on fire. All over throughout the Dominican Republic. It was like buyers from the US, buyers from Canada, UK, Germany, Belgium, France, all of them coming here because of everything that you've experienced in your home country. The challenge with that, what has been here in the local market, has been inventory. Inventory has been, 2 years ago, inventory was quite strong, meaning available, and then now inventory has gone like this because of the demand worldwide. Unlike, for example, in the US or Canada, when you're dealing with literally one market, internally, we're dealing with like 7 to 10 countries buying the same product, and everybody wants to be at the beach. So the challenge has been, we used to have inventory here in Sosua in the 80s, 70s as an entry-level type of older condo stock. And all of that disappeared because it was all taken up by people in demand. But here now in Sosua, over the last 6 months, major developers have started to build and develop and market new products. And I'm really excited to say that where we're sitting right now is a giant project with tons of inventory at the price range that you want and the market is demanding. So,
Exactly.
So tell us about it, Margarita.
So this complex is a huge complex, literally 5 minutes drive from the airport of Puerto Plata, which is easy to reach, international airport. So this is where you can reach from everywhere in the world. And you can get a unit with 2 bedrooms for $90,000 and a unit for with 3 bedrooms and 2 beds for...
Does that include bathrooms?
Yes,
Wow,
it does, it does, it
$90,000.
does. It's all craziness. So the 3 bedroom would go for $120,000. And the great thing about it is you can already make your reservations. It's going to be 340 units, so it's a big complex.
340 units?
Yes, exactly. But you can already start the reservation. The construction is going to start in March 23, which is only a couple of months away. And you can reserve your unit today with $3,000 down.
So when a lot of you have been saying in the past, going back 2 years ago, well, I remember when I could buy a condo literally with my credit card. Now we have inventory that you can. You put your credit card down or your $3,000 down in a payment plan. We're talking less than 8 to 10 months to have a property finished, a condo-wise. Come on, where can you find something that is brand new with 1 bedroom or 2 bedrooms with baths included?
2 and 3.
2 and 3 bedrooms.
He's lying again, guys. Damn.
2 or 3 bedrooms. That's even better then.
Yeah.
2 or 3 bedrooms at the price of that. It doesn't exist in today's market. So things are going to go like this. We're one of the only brokerages in this country that are marketing and selling this. So I want you to really think about in your mind, if you're on the fence looking for a smoking deal, this is it.
This is one. And you know how to get it, because our team is ready to talk to you, explain you all the details, show you all the ins and outs of this project, and I am sure you're gonna love it because it's brand spanking new.
The other cool thing too is that if you're like me, if you think like me, so think of this, when you land in Puerto Plata Airport and you walk out, and you know when you walk out with your bags like this and you feel the smell of the ocean and the smell of the air, the warmth on your body, and then you get one beer, that first beer, which is way overpriced at the airport, like $8 or $5, whatever it is, which is overpriced. But I can guarantee you, when you open that beer, you can, before you finish that small beer, from the airport to right here, you'll be here.
You'll be home.
There is nothing like that in Punta Cana, nothing like that in Las Terrenas that close. It's 30, 40 minutes from the airport. And there's nothing like that to go to Cabarete, because you're about 30 minutes from Cabarete from the airport. So if you want something really close to the airport, but just away from the hustle and bustle of downtown Sosua, which is only another 5 minutes away, this is ideal. It's quiet at night, it's a great location, and everything is building up. Sosua is literally used to be in the center, and now on each side of Sosua, you have Sosua growing. And this gives you more opportunity at a price point that a lot of our clients want.
you know what you need to do. You need to check out the video that is following. And the other thing you need to do is you need to check out our number here below, the link with more details, and you need to call us. I don't know what you're waiting for.
And last thing I'll just say on this is that we can help you through financing on mortgages in the US or Canada. We can help you refinance your assets in either country. Number two, property management and Airbnb type of rental management. Hello, we're here. So if you want to make money on $90,000, you can do that here. It's a great deal.
Absolutely.
So how many are you going to reserve?
Woo! Let me see. Let me check it out.
I'll do one if you do one.
Okay, maybe I'll do two. And you do two too?
All right, we're going to do two. Okay, okay. So now it was a 340.
340 units.
So there's now 336 units remaining. Please act now. Call us on WhatsApp down below, 829-525-1782. Text us. I do answer from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Sundays, I'm at the beach. I'm chilling out, but I'll respond to your call, get you in touch with Margarita. Let's go make some money. Let's go make some money with real estate revenue here in Sosua. Okay? Yeah?
I'm ready.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.